Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are featuring the retired stamp set, Lovely Wishes, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White and the largest stitch shape square. And then I have a piece of Sweet Sugar Plum with the largest square from the Layering Squares framelits. Run those through. Alright, and now I have a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the Retiring Brick Wall embossing folder. Alright, so we're going to take our stitch shape and from the Lovely Wishes we are going to be using this little flower, this one, and then the leaf, and then You Are One of a Kind. So I have my basic black. And I'm going to put it towards the bottom, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Sweet Sugar Plum. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment right above it. And then I'm also going to get this little flower and stamp that. And then I'm going to take my Emerald Envy and I'm going to get the leaf and then I'm going to stamp off. Just like that. Okay, so my card base is Sweet Sugar Plum, and it's measured at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And we are going to take our brick wall and before we do that, I have the Sweet Sugar Plum Grow Green ribbon, and I'm just going to adhere it here at the bottom. And I had made the bow ahead of time. So just like that. Okay, and I'm going to take my squares I'm going to adhere the stitch square to the sweet sugar plum. And then I'm going to pop this up with some dimensionals. Just like that. So here's a quick and simple card telling somebody that they are one of a kind. You can use it for Mother's Day, a birthday, anything you wish. Remember, if you need any of these retiring stamp sets or supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!